Experience the royal treatment of Bath City at one of the best student accommodation in the city. Introducing Student Castle Bath. Located on Pulteney Rd, your castle offers a selection of contemporary studios, each featuring a comfortable bed, dedicated study desks, spacious wardrobes, a well-equipped kitchenette, and a private bathroom. But that's not all. Step outside your apartment to enjoy common amenities including a vibrant outdoor courtyard, a residence-only gym, a fun games area, a private meeting room, bike storage, and more. And if you're a person who sleeps through their alarms, here's good news. You're within walking distance of Bath College and the University of Bath. You'll never have to worry about being late for class. When it's time to unwind, explore nearby pubs and cafes like the Raven and the Black Fox, or enjoy nature at Beechwood, just a short ride away from Bath. Additionally, stay connected with ease as bus stops like the Gateway and Bath Spa Railway Station are within walking distance from the property. Ready for laughter, study, and unforgettable memories? Head over at amberstudent.com and secure your spot at Student Castle Bath today.